Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I stopped at the butcher block today here in Las Vegas and visited with my friend Ron, the owner, and got some beautiful veal cutlets that we're going to be using today to make veal piccata. It was one of my father's favorite dishes, and I think you're going to enjoy it as well. Veal cutlets, veal piccata. Stick around, we're doing it next. All right, veal piccata, let's get started. I got my slices out. I'm going to cover them with a little cellophane. Lightly pound them down, get them a little bit thinner than what they were already cut. And then once we get those done, I've got some flour in a tray. I'm going to season with just salt and pepper. And then we're going to dredge our veal in the flour. I've got a non-stick skillet with olive oil and butter on medium heat. So once we get these veal cutlets floured up, we'll move over to the frying pan. We'll dust off any excess flour, and we're going to cook these about 3.5 minutes on each side. They are thin, they are going to cook fast, and we are also, once we fry them, we're going to put them back into the sauce that we make to finish them off. So while that's happening, if I could ask you to please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family about us, hit the bell to stay up to date on newest recipes, and leave a comment if you can. So once we get these on one side, we'll flip them over to the other. Then we're going to remove the veal cutlets, put them on a plate while we work on our sauce. For the sauce, we're going to need 2.5 tablespoons of capers that are drained. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We're going to need a little bit of parsley. We're going to need about 3 cloves of garlic, diced up or microplaned. And a dash of red pepper flakes. So we're going to start off with the garlic, put it right in there. And as soon as that garlic becomes fragrant, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine. If you don't use white wine, you can use vegetable broth. There we go. Now we're going to add our capers. Our lemon juice. And this sauce will start to thicken from the flour from the veal that we fried in there. Couple dashes of red pepper flake, that's optional. I kind of like a little kick from the lemon to the hot pepper, but like I said, that's not traditional, it's just the way I like it. And we'll mix that up, and then we're going to add our veal back to the sauce, and we'll do about 2.5 minutes on each side, and then it'll be time to plate and serve. Once we plate it up, we'll top it with a little bit of parsley, and then you are good. Veal piccata. Make it, you'll like it. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.